Good morning, students. As you know, we are studying about the rational numbers in mathematics. In previous video, we have studied about the addition of two rational numbers. Now we have to study properties of addition of rational number. Today we have to study about the properties of एडिशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर। रेशनल नंबर की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज होती है उसको हम स्टडी करेंगे। फर्स्ट है क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। व्हाट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी? इन रेशनल नंबर ही सेज द सम ऑफ टू रेशनल नंबर्स इज अ रेशनल। इन क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इट इज सेड दैट इफ वी ऐड टू रेशनल नंबर the result that we get that is also a rational number. The sum of two rational number is also a rational number. दो rational number को जब भी हम ऐड करेंगे either both are negative or both are positive, either one is positive and other is negative. What we get answer that will be a rational number. दो rational number चाहे वो दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव हो या एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव, जब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो जो भी आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी अ रेशनल नंबर। इफ p by q and r by s be two rational numbers, यहाँ p by q and r by s be two rational numbers, then p by q plus r by s is also a rational number. मैंने बताया I have told you that sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. Take examples. For examples, 2 by 3 is first rational number. Second is minus 4 by 7. If we add both, here we know denominators are not equal, so we take LCM of 3 and 7. So 3 and 7, the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now we have to divide 21 by 3. 3 7 ja 21. Now we have to multiply by 7 into 2. 2 7 ja 14. And 7 divide 21 by 7. 7 3 ja 21. Now we get answer 3. We have to multiply by 3 in minus 4. Minus plus 3 4 ja 12. Minus 12. So here 14 minus 12 we get answer 2 by 12. Here there are two rational number 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 7. Two rational number we add both, we get 2 by 21. 2 by 21 is also a rational number, which is also a rational number. Second example, 7 by 3 and plus 3 by 4. 7 by 3 is first rational number, 3 by 4 is second rational number. So we take LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Divide 12 by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 4 times, and we have to multiply 4 into 7. 4 7 ja 28. Divide 12 by 4, we get answer 3. We have to multiply 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. When we add both, we get 28 plus 9 is equal to 37. 37 by 12. 37 by 12 is a rational number. Here 7 by 3 is a rational number. 3 by 4 is also a rational number. Both are rational numbers. When we add, we get 30 by 7, which is also a rational number. So it proves that sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. Hence, the collection of rational number is closed under addition. The sum of rational number closed under addition. Addition follow the closure property. Next is commutative properties. What is in commutative properties? The sum of any two rational number. The sum of any two rational numbers remains the same irrespective of the order of their additions. The rational numbers are given, any two rational numbers are given, we add both by changing the order, the value remains same. If you add, irrespective of the order, either change the order, but the answer will be same. दो रेशनल नंबर्स हैं, उनको अब यदि आप ऑर्डर चेंज करके ऐड करते हो फिर भी आंसर सेम ही रहेगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ p by q and r by s are two rational numbers, then p by q r by s both. Now we have to change the order. r by s first, here first rational number दी गई q, here first rational number is r by s, here second rational number is r by s, here p by q. Here you have changed the order but the answer remains same. This is the property of commutative property. Commutative property means if we add two rational numbers by changing the order, the answer remains same. We prove it by taking an example. In commutative property, if you add two rational numbers, either change the order, by changing the order we add the rational numbers, we get the same answer. Take example. For example, for here we take the examples of commutative property. 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. First rational number is 2 by 3 and second rational number is 1 by 5. Add both. The LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 answer will be 5. 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 3 ja 15. 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3. Answer will be 13 by 50. Now change the order. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. What is the answer? The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Divide 15 by 5. 5 3 ja 15. 1 into 3, 3. Divide 15 by 3. 3 5 का 15. 5 times multiply by 5 into 2. 5 2 जा 10. Answer will be 3 plus 10, 13 by 15. So here we have changed the order in second. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. The answer is same. So we can write this like 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. So if we change the order in commutative properties, if there are two rational numbers, if we change the order, the answer remains same. So hence addition of rational number is commutative. Hence addition of rational number is commutative. Rational numbers is commutative. This is the second properties of addition. First it was closure property, second was commutative property. Third is associative properties. Now, third property is associative property. Third is here associative property. In associative property, the sum of three rational numbers remain the same. Associative properties, the sum of three rational numbers, the sum of three rational numbers remain same. In this, the sum of three rational numbers remain same, irrespective of order in which they are grouped. Irrespective of order. Irrespective of the order in which they are grouped. In associative property, the sum of three rational numbers remains same irrespective of the order in which they are grouped. If P by Q, R by S, and T by U are 3, then P by Q plus R by S plus P by U is equal to P by Q plus R by S plus P by U. This is the associative properties of addition. Sum of three rational numbers remains same. In this property, it is said that if we add three rational number, they are remains same, irrespective of order, the order in which they are grouped. Either you group in any order, चाहे आप जिस ऑर्डर में उनको ग्रुप कर दीजिए, बट एडिशन उनका सेम होगा. If P by Q, R by S and T by U are three rational numbers, then according to the association, P by Q and R by S. Here we grouped two rational numbers, P by Q and R by S, and we add this in T by U. Here we change the group P by Q. Here we made the group R by S and T by U. In those conditions, the answer remains same. It is the property of associative properties. Take an example. For example, first rational number is 2 by 3, second rational number is 3 by 2, and third rational number is 1 by 5. Now we have to add both. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 into divide 6 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, plus 3 into divide 6 by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 3 into 3, plus 1 by 5. Here we get 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 by 9 plus 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 3 3 ja 9, 9 by 6 plus 1 by 5. Now 4 plus 9, 13, 13 by 6 plus 1 by 5. Here the LCM of both is 30. 30. 6 5 ja 35, 35 ja 65, plus 5 6 ja 30, 6 1 ja 6. Answer will be 6 5 11, 6 1 7 by 71 by 30. In this we take LCM 3 and 2, the LCM will be 6. We divide 6 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, so we multiply 2 by 2. 2 3 ja 6, so we multiply 3 in by 3, plus 1 by 5. 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 3 ja 9 by 6, plus 1 by 5. Here 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, and 6 here remove the bracket, plus 1 by 5. The LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. Divide 30 by 6, 6 5 ja 30, multiply 30 into 5, 13 5 ja 65, 5 6 ja 30, 6 1 ja 6. If we add both, 65 plus 6 is equal to 71 by 30. Now we have to arrange in other way. 2 by 3 plus, now we have to arrange 3 by 2 and 1 by 5 into 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. We solve it. 2 by 3 plus LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. 10. Divide 2, divide 10 by 2, 5 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, plus 5 divide 10 by 10 by 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. We get 2 by 3, 15 to 17, 17 by 10. So 17 by 10, so remove it because it is 1. Now take the LCM of 10 and 3, 30. 30. 3 10 ja 30, 10 2 ja 20, plus 10 3 ja 30, 7 3 ja 17 3 ja 51. 51. If we add both, we get 71 by 30. Here, according to associative property, we have to make the group of first rational numbers and group of first two rational numbers we add to third rational number. We get answer 71 by 30. If here second and third rational numbers are group, so after doing the solution of this rational number, we get 71 by 30. Both answers are same. So we can write 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Both are equal. So hence addition of rational number is associative. So we can say that addition of hence addition of rational numbers is associative. Associative. This is the property of addition under addition associative properties. The rational numbers, addition of rational number is associative. Means any three rational numbers are given, you can group any two rational numbers and add in third rational numbers. Either first rational number and second and third rational number you have to group, but the answer remains like this. Here we make the group of first two rational numbers and the sum of two rational number add in third. Here first rational number and the group of second and third rational number. In both conditions, both are equal. Here we have proved how it is associative. Clear? Next is additive identity. Next property of addition is additive identity. Fourth is additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. In the addition of rational number, fourth property is additive identity. In additive identity, the sum of 0 and any rational number, the sum of 0, you can write 0 like this, 0 and a rational number is the rational number itself. Additive identity means if we add 0 in any rational number, the answer will be the rational number. If P by Q is a rational number, so we can write here according to the additive identity, P by Q plus 0 is equal to P by Q. The sum of 0 and the rational number is rational number से 0 और किसी rational number को जब भी ऐड करते हैं, when we add 0 and any rational number, the answer is the rational number itself. जो आंसर होगा तो वही rational number होते हैं. For example, if P by Q is a rational number, then P by Q plus 0 is equal to P by Q. Take example. For example, For example, 2 by 3 plus 0 is equal to 2 by 3. 3 by 9 plus 0 is equal to 3 by minus 3 by 9 minus 3 by 9. So hence 0 is identity of any rational number. So 0 is additive identity of any rational number. Rational number. 0 is additive identity of any rational number. So here we have learned the operation of rational numbers of addition. These are the properties of addition. The properties of addition of rational numbers: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and additive identity. These are the properties of addition of rational number. So I think all of you have understood of this type of properties of addition. It can be asked in questions. You have to write the name of properties. Properties will be like examples where given in your exercise books, and you have to name the properties. Which properties follow these examples. So it is sufficient for today. So we meet in next video. Thanks for today.